Best NVMe heatsinks prevent thermal throttling, maintain peak SSD speeds, extend lifespan, improve stability, and ensure consistent high-performance data transfers. My today's video is about top 5 best NVMe heatsinks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SGTKJSJS M.2 Heatsink Cooler 2280 SSD. This NVMe heatsink delivers a strong balance of compatibility, build quality, and thermal performance, making it a practical upgrade for both desktop PCs and PS5 users. Designed to fit popular SSDs like Samsung EVO and Pro Series, it supports single-sided M.2 drives seamlessly, ensuring wide usability. The aluminum alloy construction with anodized and silver-plated finishing not only enhances durability but also helps reduce static buildup, an underrated but valuable feature. Its compact dimensions make it a perfect fit even in tight PS5 storage slots. Performance-wise, the included thermal pads offer efficient heat transfer without risking damage to the SSD. The claimed 10 to 20 degrees Celsius temperature reduction is noticeable in real-world use, helping prevent thermal throttling and maintaining consistent high-speed performance during heavy workloads or gaming sessions. Installation is simple thanks to the double-sided clip design, accommodating different SSD heights securely. Overall, it's a reliable, easy-to-install solution for extending SSD lifespan and boosting performance stability. Now our second product is FICWAT FN 971TB M.2 2280 PCIe. The FICWAT FN 971TB NVMe SSD stands out as a high-performance storage solution built for speed, reliability, and versatility. Leveraging PCIe Gen4 X4 and NVMe 1.4, it delivers impressive read speeds up to 7,400 MB per second and write speeds up to 5,400 MB per second, making it ideal for demanding tasks like gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. The dynamic SLC cache ensures consistent performance even under sustained workloads. Its built-in drum cache significantly boosts data access speed and system responsiveness, offering a noticeably smoother experience compared to drumless alternatives. Compatibility is another strong point. Whether you're upgrading a desktop, laptop, or expanding PS5 storage, it integrates seamlessly, especially with heatsink support for thermal control. Reliability is well addressed through extensive testing, including high-temperature and endurance trials, ensuring long-term stability. With a solid 700 TBW rating and a 5-year warranty, it offers peace of mind. Overall, this SSD is a powerful, future-ready upgrade for users seeking speed and durability. Our third product is Dell Slot 1 M.2 2280 SSD. This OEM M.2 heatsink cover is a precise, purpose-built upgrade for select Dell laptops, offering both reliability and proper thermal management. It's specifically compatible with models like the Dell XPS 159500, Dell XPS 159510, and Dell Precision 5550, ensuring a perfect fit when installed and the correct SSD slot is specified. What sets this apart is its genuine OEM origin. Unlike generic copies, it delivers better cooling efficiency and build precision. This is especially important when installing a secondary SSD, where thermal buildup can impact performance. The included heatsink cover helps maintain stable temperatures, preventing throttling during heavy workloads. Installation is straightforward, with screws included for a secure fit on the left side slot, slot 1. However, users must carefully follow compatibility notes to avoid incorrect placement. Overall, it's a dependable, high-quality solution for Dell users looking to safely expand storage while maintaining optimal SSD performance and system stability. Now number 4 MHQJRH M.2 2280 SSD Heatsink. This M.2 SSD heatsink is a well-engineered cooling solution designed specifically for 2280 form factor drives, making it an excellent fit for desktop PCs and PS5 setups. Its standout feature is the double-sided aluminum alloy design with grooved surfaces, which significantly expands heat dissipation area and delivers an effective 10 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature reduction depending on workload and airflow conditions. The inclusion of a nano-silicon thermal pad enhances heat transfer efficiency while remaining soft and flexible enough to adapt to uneven SSD surfaces. Importantly, its low viscosity ensures it won't damage warranty labels, a thoughtful touch for cautious users. Installation is user-friendly thanks to the double-sided clip mechanism and 6 adjustable screws, allowing compatibility with SSDs of varying thicknesses while maintaining a secure fit. The anodized, silver-plated finish not only boosts durability but also helps minimize static buildup. Overall, this heatsink combines premium materials, smart design, and reliable cooling performance, making it a valuable upgrade for maintaining SSD speed, stability, and longevity under heavy use. And our last choice is Inio M.2 Heatsink 2280 SSD. This NVMe heatsink is a compact yet effective cooling solution designed for both desktop PCs and PlayStation 5 systems, supporting standard 70 by 20 mm SSDs. Its slim profile also makes it ideal for laptops and tight spaces where airflow is limited. The standout feature is its optimized air duct design, which increases surface contact with air, enabling faster and more efficient heat dissipation. This helps maintain stable SSD temperatures during intensive tasks like gaming or large file transfers, reducing the risk of thermal throttling. Included silicone thermal pads play a crucial role by ensuring proper heat transfer while protecting delicate SSD components and memory chips. This not only enhances cooling efficiency but also contributes to extending the lifespan of your drive. Installation is straightforward with the provided screwdriver and mounting accessories, making it beginner-friendly. Backed by strict quality testing, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support, this heatsink offers dependable performance and peace of mind for long-term SSD reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.